Hi there folks, welcome. This little video will teach you how to remove and install the VOLVO P2 type cars ECU. You need this special extractor. First things first, keys out of the ignition. Then remove the ECU box cover like this. Make some room by pulling this a little apart. Then with this side to the outside of the car, insert diagonally like this to the bottom. Make sure this little notch is fully inserted on this slot. Then pull towards the rear of the car to remove the ECU like this. It's out of the car. Now to install, make some room, insert the ECU on these two slots, then slide it down till it fits on these four holders. Those four little violet tabs must fit on the black part of the ECU like this. Then insert vertically with this side to the outside of the car, fully down till it fits in the slot. Then pull towards the front of the car firmly like this. Okay, extract, and it's fully inserted. Everything in place again. And done.